Hi everybody! At first we apply a layer of black gel polish, cure in lead lamp. Cover the nail with a non-sticky layer of top coat. Cure in lead lamp for 30 seconds. So, now I take chrome powder and a silicone brush. Let's take a small amount of chrome powder with a brush and rub into the nail. A silicone brush is extremely convenient for creating chrome nails and very economical. Shake off excessive powder with a dry brush. Fix the coating with 2 layers of top coat. Cure in lead lamp each coat. Remove the sticky layer from nail. Now I'm going to use black gel paint and brush number 1. We paint in leopard print with a gentle motion, keeping a little pressure on the brush. And so that's all. If you use gel paint without a sticky layer, you don't need to additionally cover the nail with a top coat. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in next video.